Hey guys, welcome to ZX Motivation Channel. Now tired of the American grind? Feeling like no matter how hard you work, the rent goes up, student loans keep breathing down your neck, and jobs keep getting replaced by AI? Well, listen, there's a new game in America, and the people who win it aren't the ones working the hardest. They're the ones who master the right 10 skills. These are the skills that make you unfireable, unshakable, and absolutely unstoppable, no matter what happens in the economy. Let's go. Look, America in 2025 is fast, unpredictable, and honestly, a little chaotic. AI is replacing jobs, remote work keeps shifting, inflation is eating paychecks, and companies expect you to work like 3 people for 1 salary. But here's the good news. There's a set of 10 high-value skills that almost guarantee you stay ahead. Skills that boost your income, protect your career, and give you control of your life. Master even a few of these, and your entire future changes. Let's break them down with the exact step you can take today to start building each one. The 10 skills, 45 seconds each. 1. AI and automation literacy. Problem it solves. AI is replacing repetitive jobs faster than ever, from customer service to data entry to admin work. On-screen text, AI literacy equals income security. This is the skill that decides whether you get replaced or promoted. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to know how AI tools work and how to use them better than the average person. Action step. Learn one AI tool this week. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI. Doesn't matter. Pick one and master it. 2. High-value communication problem it solves. Meetings, emails, interviews. Most Americans communicate poorly, costing them raises and respect. On screen, speak clearly, win quickly. Voiceover. If you can speak clearly, confidently, and concisely, you instantly stand out in a noisy world. Action step. Record yourself speaking for 60 seconds daily. You'll fix tone, clarity, filler words, fast. 3. Negotiation power problem it solves. Americans lose thousands every year by accepting the first offer. Salary, rent, car payments, everything. On screen, negotiation equals dollar power. Voiceover. In today's America, negotiation isn't optional. It's survival. One strong negotiation can give you a year's worth of raises in one call. Action step. Next time someone gives you an offer, say, "Is that the best you can do?" Simple. Game-changing. Digital personal branding problem it solves. You can be talented, but if nobody sees you, you don't exist in today's market. On screen, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok snippets. Voiceover, your online presence is your new resume. A strong personal brand gets you better jobs, clients, and opportunities without begging for them. Action step. Post one valuable tip per day on LinkedIn or TikTok. Consistency beats talent. Deep work focus problem it solves. America's biggest problem? Distraction. Short attention spans equals low quality work equals low pay. On screen, focus equals money. If you can focus for even 60 minutes straight, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Action step. Use a 45-minute focus timer. Phone in another room. No exceptions. 6. Networking and relationship value problem it solves. Jobs and opportunities in America rarely go to the most skilled person. They go to the most connected. On screen, your network is your net worth. Voiceover. You don't need a huge network, just a strong one. People skills are career rocket fuel. Action step. Send one message today. "Hey, I'd love to reconnect. How can I support you this month?" 7. Financial defense strategy problem it solves. Inflation, emergency bills, debt. Most Americans are one bad week away from stress. On screen, budgeting apps, emergency fund visuals. Voiceover. Being unstoppable isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it. Action step. Start a $10 a day emergency fund. Small steps, big protection. 8. rapid learning ability problem it solves. Careers change fast. Skills expire quickly. If you can't learn fast, you fall behind. On screen, learn fast or get left behind. VoiceOver, the ability to learn new skills quickly is the superpower of modern America. Action step, learn one new skill for 20 minutes a day on YouTube or Coursera. Simple, free, effective. 8. Rapid learning ability problem it solves. Careers change fast. Skills expire quickly. If you can't learn fast, you fall behind. On screen, learn fast or get left behind. VoiceOver, the ability to learn new skills quickly is the superpower of modern America. Action step, learn one new skill for 20 minutes a day on YouTube or Coursera. Simple, free, effective. 9. Adaptability and flexibility. Problem it solves. Layoffs, new job trends, remote to hybrid shifts, life changes. On screen, stay flexible, stay employed. VoiceOver, adaptable people survive anything. Job changes, relocations, new tech, new rules. Action step, say yes to one new challenge this week. Something that makes you uncomfortable. 10. Execution discipline problem it solves. Most Americans don't lack knowledge, they lack consistency. On screen, consistency beats everything. VoiceOver, you don't need motivation, you need discipline. The ability to execute daily separates the unstoppable from the average. Action step, pick one goal and work on it for 20 minutes a day. No excuses, no skipping. These 10 skills will make you unstoppable in today's America, financially, professionally, and mentally. You don't need all 10. Just pick one skill and commit to it for the next 90 days. Because once you build the momentum, your entire life changes. Call to action. Drop a comment below with the one skill you're starting with, and let's build your unstoppable future together.